welcome to the channel. Our today's topic is spherical lenses. Students, a lens is a transparent object, a transparent body bounded by two surfaces. At least one of them is curved. We call it lens. And a spherical lens is a lens that is obtained from a sphere. There are a lens that is part of a sphere is called a spherical lens. Look at this diagram. If we are having a transparent sphere and if we get a slice from any side of this sphere, that slice or that piece is known as a spherical lens. Student, a spherical lens is divided in two categories. One is called convex lens. Look at this diagram. Here is a convex lens. How we identify it? It is thick at the center and thin at the edges. So property is that when a beam of light falls on it, after passing through the lens, this beam of light is converged, or rays of light are focused at a point. Therefore, this lens is also known as a converging lens. It is of three types. Look at this diagram. Here is a plano-convex. From its name it is clear, its one side is plane, other side is convex. Such a lens is called plano-convex lens. Next, double convex. A lens with its both sides convex is called a double convex lens. And third one is concavo-convex. Look at this diagram. Concavo-convex. A lens with one side concave and other side convex is known as concavo-convex. Next type of spherical lens is concave lens. Look at this diagram. A lens that is thin at the center, thick at the edges is called concave lens. Its property is that when a beam of light falls on it, after passing through the lens, the rays of light diverge, or beam of light scatters after passing through a concave lens. So it is also known as a diverging lens. It is also of three types. Plano-concave, one side plane, one side concave. Such a lens is called plano-concave lens. Double concave, a lens having both sides concaves. And convexo-concave, a lens with one side convex and one side concave is called convexo-concave lens. Now students, there are different terms that we use in case of a lens. They are common for both convex as well as concave lens. Look at this diagram of a convex lens. And what are these different terms? They are labeled here. Let us discuss them one by one. First thing is the principal axis. Look at this diagram. A straight line passing from center of a lens perpendicular to plane of a lens is called principal axis. Next is aperture. The distance from one side to the other side, or the diameter of boundary of lens is called aperture. Next is center of curvature. It is the center of the sphere from which that lens is obtained, or the sphere whose part is this lens. Center of that sphere is known as center of curvature of that lens. Since in case of a lens, light can pass on either side, so therefore there are two centers of curvature, one on each side, and these points are marked on principal axis as C on both sides of the lens. Next is principal focus. It is the point in case of convex lens where all the rays of light meet after passing through the lens. A lens has two principal focus, each on one side. Next term that we use is radius of curvature. Look at this diagram. Distance from center of curvature to this mid of the lens is called radius of curvature. Next is optical center O. It is the central point inside a lens such that any ray of light passing from this point does not change its path. Such point inside a lens is called optical center. So radius of curvature is the distance between center of curvature to optical center. Similarly, the last term that we use is focal length. It is the distance from optical center to principal focus of a lens. In case of convex lens, focal length is taken positive, and in case of concave lens, the focal length is negative, because in case of convex lens, rays of light actually meet at this point after passing through the lens, where in case of concave lens, they appear to be coming from this point after passing through the lens. Students, these are the different terms that we use in case of lenses. I hope it is clear. Students, thank you for sparing your time to watch the video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care of you. Goodbye.